Once it touches the ground, it rebounds. You will see the growth rate. It rebounds and comes back to under the leaf, because that's where the chemicals, the insects, their eggs and all, that's where they are, right? So this helps you to be climate smart as well as do your work effectively. How do you get that? So there's a spreader tank also. Whenever we want to do spreading of maybe rice, fertilizers, granular fertilizers now, we change the tank. It's very easy. You just unplug the tubes, the spray hose, unplug and then plug in your spreader, calibrate so that it will know what kind of fertilizer or material that is being poured into it together, and then it goes for the job. So, like I said, you can do about five okay, do an hectare in 5 minutes, right? And depending on you, you want to use your water to be let's say 10 liter per hectare. That's water and chemical, the solution now.
Yeah, solution.
You know, it will be doing 2 hectares.
Yes, 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 yes.
It will be doing 2 hectares. So as a go, it will do 2 hectares in less than 10 minutes. And if you calculate that 2 hectares, 10 minutes for an hour, that will be like 6 times, right? That's 12.
12 hectares.
Yeah, 12 hectares in an hour. Whereas the human,
Can't go do it.
using the knapsack, you have about 4 people spraying an hectare, maybe in like 3 hours. Do you get that? So that's what this drone helps us. So we have the intelligent battery. Everything on this is intelligent. It's more of a robot. So we have the intelligent battery, and there's a generator also for it. Because of remote areas like this, you know, we don't have power here now. But when you have the DJI generator, it will help you charge this. This battery is equal to about 2 to 3 car battery. You get that? For it to power that. But if you charge it in 9 minutes, the generator will charge it in 9 minutes. The generator is a 12 kVA generator, but it's very portable. You can put it inside already. And charge it. So your drone, when it flies and comes back, let's say you are spraying, depending on your rate per hectare, that's what will determine how it will work. Your rate per hectare, your that's your rate per hectare now. Your number of hectares you have to cover apply. So by the time it's coming back, everything is in less than 10 minutes. So once it comes back, change the battery. So we usually have about 3 to 5 batteries. You are changing the battery while charging another one, and it will not be hot because there's an intelligent cooling system also. That's where you place your battery. Do we have the intelligent cooling system? So, yeah, everything is inside. You can also map. You can use it to map. I think less than 5 hectares. Right? 5 hectares for this. 5 hectares, I think. Yeah, 5 hectares. Just to map for you to say Agras mapping. But for this, what we will talk about